I will now show you how to use Bullet List Creator inside of Final Cut Pro. The first thing we will need to do is search for Bullet List Creator inside of the Titles browser in the Motion Master Templates category. Then drag and drop it to your timeline. Next, we open the Inspector panel to customize the bullet list. The first control allows us to toggle on or off the built-in animation. We can control the position of the entire list with the global X and Y controls. The global top and bottom offset controls allows us to control where the first list item starts and where the last item ends. This allows us to control the spacing between each list item. Global scale and global rotation allows us to adjust the overall scale and rotation of the entire bullet list. The global angle controls allows us to offset the last list item to add some angle to our list item for some style. The animation bounce allows us to turn on or off the bounciness of the animation. The animation spread controls how spread out the animation is. The lower the number brings each list item one at a time, and the higher the number brings in the list items all together. We can choose the direction of the animation by choosing from the different animation types. We have slide right, slide left, drop, rise, drop and slide right, drop and slide left, scale in, scale and slide right, scale and slide left, and fade in. Animation origin controls the order that the items appear, so the animation can either start with the first item or with the last item. So if we want to do a countdown, for example, we can do endpoint and the animation will run in reverse. The bar color allows us to change the color of the bar behind the list items. Bar types have different types of bar styles for us to use. We can also control the length, height, and opacity of the bar to our liking. Next, we can adjust the text controls. We can adjust the color, the position offset of the text on the X and Y position. We can also adjust the text alignment justification by left, center, or right. We may need to adjust the text X offset to place it exactly where we need it. The bullet shapes can be changed to none, star, star outline, rectangle, rectangle outline, circle, circle outline, triangle, triangle outline, angle, and angle outline. We can turn on or off the numbers if we want to show numbers inside of the bullet shape. And we can change the color of the numbers. Also, we have the controls to change the bullet color, bullet size, and the bullet position on the X and Y axis position. Next, we have the text controls for each line individually, where we can change the text, item, font, size, and tracking for each list item. Or if we want to change all the fonts, colors, size, and more at once globally, we can go to the text inspector and change the text controls. Please know that this will change all the text line items at once. To add a longer pause between each list item, we can first bring the animation spread to 0 and then make that title into a compound clip by selecting the title effect, right mouse clicking, and then select New Compound Clip. Then with the compound clip selected, we go to where we want to hold and click on Shift H, or go to the retiming tool and choose Hold. We then drag the hold item for as long as we need it to hold. We do this for each item we need to hold. We can also use the retiming tool to change the speed of the list items by clicking Command R and then dragging the retiming tool to whatever speed we need it to be. And that is how you use Bullet List Creator Pro for Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me at motionmastertemplates.com. For more freebies and more templates, please visit motionmastertemplates.com.